am a MBBS and as well as MD. So I am here to say you that how to protect ourselves from coronavirus COVID-19. Okay. So what are the precautions? First thing, whenever you are going out, so you should wear mask. Okay. Or else if you are not having mask, so apply a handkerchief on your mouth, okay, so that you can be safe from corona. Okay. Then what you have to do, take a bottle of sanitizer of Life or any, but just a small sanitizer of rupees 15 for a pocket sanitizer. Okay. So now in this condition, bad condition in COVID-19, what you have to take, you should take vitamin C like orange means lemon juice. Okay, wait, let me tell you. Whenever after sleep you are getting up from the bed, so first of all take a container and put a water, hot water, okay, then boil it, means a simple water, cold water, boil it, then you have to take it in a glass, one full this much glass also it's okay, but if taking much bigger glass it's very good. Okay. So now take the means bottle or any glass you can take and put lemon, squeeze it very nicely, take all the juice of it. Okay. Then now someone says that it's very sour and it's very difficult to drink. Full. So what you have to do, take a honey so that it can be little sweet also, so it will be not more sweet and not more sour, and then mix it up. Why? Because if honey you will put, so honey will directly go down, it will not means not float, so you can take the taste. So take a knife and then from the sharper one you have to stir it well so that honey can come up. Okay. Then you have to drink it. So now after vitamin C, what you have to take, now in this condition suns are also very less coming, so you should take proteins like dal, pulses, rice. Okay. And so now you have to take rice, pulses, and you have to eat more fruits and vegetables. Yes, so that your immunity system can become more. Okay. Then now you should take little kada, black tea, green tea. Now in this time don't take sugar. Okay. Don't. So now how to make kada? You have to first boil a water, then after that take a little garlic, garlic not ginger. Okay, it's of means okay, ginger. Then take half, cut it little, then chop it very nicely. Okay. Then after little boil, put that in hot water. Then after that take some chai patti. You have to first, then after putting that chai patti, okay, means tea, then take tulsi. Okay. After that you have to take little pepper. Okay, so that your and means it can be, and for instead of sugar you can take jaggery means good. Okay, black good is very good for our health. Okay. So now this is the step of making. 3-4 times you can drink in a day, it's not harm, you can drink 3-4 times in a day. Okay. So I am sure you can visit my hospital, it's in Vijay Park. Okay. So like I said that you should drink kada, so from that you will have never disease, cold, and first of all you should not drink any cold water, ice cream in this region. Okay. So that from cold also, from fridge it can be affected. So I am sure you can visit my hospital, its name is Zydus Hospital. Okay. Mycloids 123. Okay, it's in Bhiwandi. So you can come anytime, and my phone number is 97026476660. Okay, you can note it down. Jai Hind.